guys, this is Forodhani market. During the day, I promise chilly, nothing much is going on, you know. But at night, I'll come back and take some videos at night so you see a clear disparity. As you can see, they've started setting up. So they turn this park to a market at night. So this is, we are lucky. We can see someone has already started setting up some things. We see someone else at the other corner coming with his things. He's ready to set up for the evening. The market just happens at night. The fish market. It's called the Forodhani market or Cape Town market or the fish market. I don't know why they say fish market, yet they sell all manner of good things. So see you later. Yeah. And then over there we have the floating bar and restaurant. This is Stone Town, guys. This is Stone Town, and as you can see, the vibe here is a bit different from the one the other side while we were at Nungwi. Each part of Zanzibar gives you a totally different vibe.
Later that same evening.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound.
A few minutes later.
Sorry. Kapata kula.
But I always fear the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. Stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Huyo ni pizza wa nini? Okay.
You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
Kwa miaka mingapi umekuwa hapa?
I started in 93.
Well,
Yes. Around here.
30 years of selling Zanzibar pizza. Amazing.
Hello, welcome.
The night sky trying to make me see your stars. But the dark gets in.
Imepikwa na avocado.
There's a avocado.
Yes, thank you for coming back. Super Mario. Here's about the Mario. I'm so happy.
Mitamu.
We are waiting a long time. I'm so happy.
I'll find valid in your eyes.
Sahani yangu ni moto, acha.
Night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
This is a gizzard. This is a rabbit. This is a guinea fowl. This is a duck tandoor masala. This is a chicken lemon. This is a chicken tandoor masala. This is a tuna fish. Kingfish. Blue mouth. Horror shark. Oyster. Shark, this one. Shark. Oyster.
What in a shark?
Scallops. Crab meat. Lobster meat, tandoor masala no hot. Heshima nyumbani.
Octopus.
Yes, heshima nyumbani, tandoor masala.
Inaitwa
Tiger prawns.
tiger prawn.
Yes, tiger prawns. Chomo prawns. Octopus plan. Nice for mammal. Eating mammal, nice jig jig. Paramaris kudihedi. White snapper. Cassava root. Sweet potato, bread fruit, sweet banana. Samosa meat. Coconut bread. Mashed potato, samosa vegetarian. Chapati, garlic, maize, falafel.
You'll always be my night sky.
Ni tamu.
You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my.
In Forodhani, hapa Zanzibar, I'm going to try eat an octopus for the very first time. However, I've been warned. Nimeambiwa kuna nyege mingi like the hormonal. I've been warned the hormonal excitement hormones, you know. But nimeambiwa usijali, kama uko na wako wewe unamshikilia tu wakati wowote, lakini kama huna jui kitakuramba. So would you like to try? Go try it with me. It's octopus. I mean, I've been postponing this for the longest time, but leo ni leo. Let's do this. I'll try. Hapo pa hormones takuniramba sijui what. Kwani ni kama Viagra. Wanasema it behaves. It gives you like Viagra like symptoms. You know, you get very excited, very horny, you just want it all the time. So, single people are not recommended. Take octopus. So let's go. We're going to try here.
Yes.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars.
And
Huh?
octopus.
Yes, I'm going to try an octopus for the very first time. Inataste kama samaki, eh?
Tamu hiyo wakula.
Kama sivi ni kule tu. Ah.
Sote hapa mbona hatujapo?
Kuna venye watu wanaweza hiyo kwa
I see. It's actually good.
But I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. 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 You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars. But the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see when your stars are burnt out. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see you're blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence